don't want to use that. We can use this. Oh, here's this little teacup. That'll work. So let me ink this up, or ink it up, glue it up rather. I don't think ink is going to hold it on the page, do you all? And let's glue this up. Find this a label. Do we want to go with the black label? Because there is black pages in this book. But I don't think I like that with that. Do you? No, I don't. Yeah, I don't like that with that. Here is Tracy Fox's definitions, but it's not green. I don't really like that color. There's a blue, I don't like that. How about that? Yeah, I like that. Cut the sides off here. There we go. Ink it a little bit. What would we do without our labels, with Tracy Fox's labels and Shabby Dabby Doodah's labels and all of their labels? So there we go. Let me move it down a little. There we go. So there's that cluster. So there's our clusters. Let's add a couple of more stickers on here. This one has a green background, green on the outside. So it'll be pretty. They're easy to get started. It's just getting them finished started. Well, my goodness. Like I've said before, I think there's a conspiracy against us all with these stickers. There we go. I think the sticker company has a conspiracy against us. Oh, that one's pretty. I might be a little bit crooked, but it will be okay because it is handmade. And we are all not perfect. Well, there is none of us that are perfect. So there's a sticker there. Let's put this one here. Here's this one with a pink on the outside of it. That would come off pretty good. Let's put it right here. Oh, those are so pretty. Such pretty stickers from the Your Creative Studio. I love them. They go great with Banya's kit. And this is called Vintage Rose Kit. See, look at that. Do they not go wonderful with that? They go absolutely wonderful with it. Let's put us a couple up front. Here's one with a dark pink. It's like these stickers were made to go with this kit. I've got to make my pockets and my belly bands and everything, and my cover, which we'll stick this one up here. Vanya is going to send me, she has also for this kit made a folio for this kit, and she is going to send me that, and I'm going to put the two together and that's why I don't have the cover and all of that made and everything. It's because I'm waiting for the folio kit for when she sends it to me so I can print it out and I'm going to put them both together and make one big journal. So this one has like a green in the background here. So there we go there. Okay, so I guess we'll wrap this video up for today, and we will work some more on our Vintage Rose journal, and it is a digital. All the digitals is by Banya at SS Digital Studio. It's going to be 2 signatures. Here's my 2 signatures. And we will probably work some more on it. I'll probably do a couple more videos on it with you all. And then whenever we get finished, we will do a flip through of it. We will do a flip through of it, and that will be my design team project for SS Studio Digital, or SS Digital Studio, and that will be the Vintage Rose Kit. Take a look. I will put it in the description box of her Etsy shop. Take a look around her Etsy shop. She has some gorgeous kits. They are absolutely beautiful. So take a look around, shop around, and look at you some kits at the SS Digital Studio. And Banya is the one that makes it. And this one is called the Vintage Rose. So you all have a good day. Thank you to all my subscribers. I really appreciate each and every one of you all. Make sure you remember your smiles, and I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.